Joining us here on The Score, two of the young players, the young stars of the Ateneo Blue Eagles. They're champions now, and they will be part of the bright future of Ateneo. Will Navarro and SJ Belangel. Guys, congratulations and welcome to The Score.
Thank you.
Okay, now you've had it was a great season for you, but there are two moments that medyo talagang struck me na kayong dalawa. No? So I'll start with SJ muna. SJ, you came in the finals. Hindi ka naman talaga like major minutes. I don't know if you were expected to get major minutes, but pinasok ka ni Coach Tab. And I distinctly remember I was looking at your eyes. And yung mukha mo talaga, you're like, I'm ready for this. Parang kung na lang, yung kainin mo na yung mouth guard mo, na ganyan. Why did you have that facial expression when you came in the game?
Actually po, kasi po palagi, I'm always ready po. Kasi yun yung din sabi ni Coach Tab po na kailangan palagi kayong ready. Kasi yun yung quote namin na next man mentality po. Doon po kami nag-live up. So siguro, at first po, nung pagpasok ko nagulat ako, ba't si Kuya 3D yung sasab ko po kasi sa position na po is 3. So natakot po ako, so parang ginamit ko na lang po yun as motivation po na big shoes to fill po kasi si Kuya 3D nga po yung pinalitan mo.
Were you nervous at that moment nung pinasok? You can be honest, panalo naman kayo eh.
Siguro yung pagtawag po sa akin po ni Coach Tab kasi gulat po ako eh kasi nung first game po, game 1, hindi po ako pinasok. So,
correct, yes.
Ayun. So tapos nung when I touch the ball po, dun na parang okay, game face na, parang ganun po yung pre-practice po namin. Yun lang po yung mga gagawin na po sa game. So luckily po na yun na nangyari.
When you enter a game and then over 20,000 fans, do you ever get scared of a big moment like that?
Siguro po, yes po. Kasi yun nga po, sobrang dami ng tao, tapos yung pressure na sa'yo pa kung ano gagawin mo, konting mali lang. Ayun po, tapos lahat na lang sasabihin nila. Ayun. So, siguro pero kapag nandun ka na sa loob, hindi mo na mababalik yung kapag ano ginawa mo. So, I just have to do what I have supposed to do. Yung mga pinapagawa sa akin ni Coach Tab. So, basically, ayun, nakakontribute din ako in a good way. So, ayun.
Speaking of big moments, Will Navarro had a very big moment this season. I'm not even talking about yung dunk mo, ha? I was talking about that one play. Sino kalaban niya? Who were you playing? UST. You were up big. And then, I think it was like a 3-0 fast break. Nasa iyo yung bola. 30, I think, was on your left.
Yeah.
Pero you chose to go straight for the left. It was your moment. And then right after, 30 goes in your face, and everyone thought that he was going to like congratulate you or nice job or ganyan. And ang sabi niya sa'yo was, Pasa mo. Like talagang labas, talaga yung mga lahat ng muscles si 30 pumuputok, pasa mo! What did you feel during that moment?
At first, parang nagulat ako. Kala ko, naka-offensive foul ako. Tapos biglang narinig ko, pasa mo. Biglang, ano, bakit? Tapos ayun, sabi, free throw line. So, okay, foul pala. Tapos parang yun, na-realize ko, mali naman talaga ako.
Ano yung mali dun sa ginawa mo?
Dapat pinasa ko, pero di ko rin alam ba't ko di pinasa. So, ayun, sorry kay 30.
Sorry kay 30. No, because that happened. So nagulat lahat na parang nagalit pala sa'yo si 30. 30 Ravena was mad at you, Will Navarro. So, were you like, bakit galit sa akin ito?
I mean...
Hanggang ngayon, hindi mo pa rin alam ba't siya nagalit sa'yo?
Hindi, alam ko naman kasi wide open naman talaga siya. Dunk sana yun sa kanya.
Pwede mo naman sabihin, wide open din naman ako eh.
Hindi,
Hindi pwede.
Wala eh. Contested eh. So, parang my bad yun.
You're bad. Yan ang buhay, rookie. Okay. What have you learned? I mean, that experience, is that part of parang the kind of mentorship, yung bang kuya treatment na nakukuha mo from your veteran teammates?
I mean, experience. Parang, may point naman siya. So, parang kailangan ko lang sundin yung mga sinasabi ng mga teammates ko minsan. So, ayan.
Ano yung lagi sinasabi? Okay, so 30, that was one example. Yung mga ibang kuya mo, kunyari yung Matt tsaka Mike Nieto, ano yung mga tinuturo sa'yo, sinasabi sa'yo to make you a better player?
Madalas parang sinasabi nila Matt and Mike, parang relax lang dapat.
Hindi ko ba relax? Parang sobrang relax na eh.
Hindi, sa court kasi medyo minsan kinakabahan ganun. So parang relax lang. Tapos pag tumitira, dapat puso. Parang kung titira ka, dapat hindi ka pilit. I mean like parang, paano ba yun?
Kumpiyansa lang.
Kumpiyansa lang.
Kumpiyansa
ganun.
lang. Kumpiyansa. Wow.
Buo yung loob.
I have a feeling, gut feel ko lang parang medyo favorite ka nung teammates mo because of your chill personality. So that's why I'm going to propose to the UAP panel that we will start calling you Will the Chill. Navarro. Kanya ka ba talaga? Like even sa practice, kanya na kahit galit na si Coach Tab, galit na si Coach Hat, ikaw parang
Hindi naman.
hang loose
Ngayon
lang,
lang,
chill lang.
ngayon lang.
Ngayon lang.
Chill.
How intense can you be? Kasi even sa game, kahit gaano ka intense yung game, parang ikaw, smooth ka lang eh. Ayos lang eh. Whatevs, gano'n lang eh. Parang
Hindi
whatevs.
ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam. Depende sa moment.
Depende sa moment. I asked SJ kanina, do you ever get scared of the big moment? Ikaw, Will, nung off-season pa lang, you were playing a lot of minutes, you were getting a lot of opportunities from Coach Tab. Hindi ka ba parang kinabahan na, wow, parang grabe naman yung trust sa akin ni Coach. Hindi ka ba ninervyos na parang malaking responsibility to
Sa una, parang, ayun, medyo nagugulat ako. Kasi dati sa San Beda ako, hindi naman talaga ako masyadong nagagamit. Ngayon sa Ateneo, nung pre-season, parang medyo may tiwala siya sa akin. Kaso nung start ng season, sa middle, parang hindi na ako masyadong ginagamit. Kasi hindi ko nasusuklian yung trust niya sa akin. So, yun, experience yun. Sana sa next year, mas mabuti magawa ko na. Yun.
Your favorite moment, malamang hindi yung kay third din, no? So your favorite moment from this back-to-back championship season, ano yun?
Yung champion kami.
The championship moment.
Yan, oo.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi lahat ng players, lahat ng team na nakakamit yung championship. So, yun siguro.
Yun yung para sa'yo. SJ, for you, your favorite moment of the season?
Same po, yung championship moment po talaga. Kasi iba po yung feeling eh. It's like, sobra po, like yung juniors po, nag-champion din po kami. Pero, yun, maganda rin. Pero, parang sabi nga ni Kuya Matt sa akin, tsaka Kuya Mike, iba po talaga basta nag-champion sa college po. Ayun po, sa championship po.
What do you want to achieve? Personally, not as a team, pero personally, for next season, what do you want to achieve? SJ?
For me po siguro is yung mga weaknesses ko po. Kailangan ko pa po paghirapan po. Tapos yung mga advice po nila ni Kuya Matt, Kuya Mike, yung mga tapos ni Coach Tab. So yun po, yung mga kailangan ko po i-achieve pa po.
Ikaw, Will?
Siguro, like, just be myself. Kasi, this season, parang hindi ako medyo nawawala ako ng konti. So, ayun, sana mas maging relax ng konti sa game.
Mas relax ka pa.
Mas relax. Tapos, just be me.
Just be you. Tama yan. Yeah, you do you. Correct. Correct. So, SJ Belanghel and Will the Chill Navarro. Okay, we'll bring back the veterans together with the young players when the score continues.